Hi folks, Mike Aversano, CPA with the state of New York. Thank you for clicking on my video, and I'm here to go over your solutions and processes for removing an IRS tax debt from your financial life. So let's get started. So we know your tax debt is an anchor in your life and you need to cut it loose. We know what you're going through. Unresolved, an IRS tax debt can lead to some pretty unpleasant things. Asset seizures, harassment, bank levies of your accounts, wage garnishments, your credit ruin, and in severe cases, civil and criminal penalties. So let's not pretend the problem doesn't exist. Let's address it like adults head on to erase that tax debt. So you absolutely do have options, and let's get into them. So quickly before, just so you know, we know what we're talking about, quickly our firm and qualifications. My name is Mike Aversano. I've been a CPA in the state of New York since 1993. There is my license number if you want to look me up to see that I've been a valid, active CPA. And I was an auditor for 11 years before my family practice started in 2000. And I have years and hundreds of hours on the phone with the IRS and various states negotiating tax debts on behalf of our clients. So without further ado, here are your options. One, you could do nothing and hope it goes away. But as I showed you in prior slides, I don't think that's a good option, so do not do that. Two, you absolutely could do it yourself, and it's definitely an option. I have a slide, the next one, to go over how to do that, and a pre-downloadable report, PDF, with the steps, step by step, for you to do that. Number three, you could hire a national tax resolution company that you hear on the TV and radio, but I just ask you that you ask certain questions of them and get certain things in writing before you proceed or sign anything, and I'll give you those in that slide. And number four, you can call the person or a company that does your taxes, but more often than not, tax preparers and other CPAs do not specialize in tax resolution, so they normally do not handle that like we do. Or five, you could speak to a licensed affordable CPA with years of experience negotiating with the IRS and is an expert at tax resolution. And that's what we are, and we'll give you the option to speak to us for a free consultation at the end of the video. So that's an option, and those are all your options, and we'll go through them in detail here. The do-it-yourself option is a good one. The tax resolution process is not simple, but it's not brain surgery, guys. If you have some time, some patience, and organizational skills, this is something that you can do yourself. So as they say, keep calm. It's not rocket science. I've prepared a detailed step-by-step PDF guide with the instructions, links, and tips on how you can see what you qualify for and know what forms, schedules, and documents you need to get this done. I've created a little site where you could just go and download this form. It's a Google document, so nothing to worry about, and it's an immediate download if you go to irsguy.us, or you just click on the red download button before the video. It's free. There's no email opt-in. I'm not requiring any information. You click on that link and you get the download. Okay, it's a simple 2-page guide that gives you the steps, forms, links, tips, everything you need to handle it yourself. So if you have any questions while reading the document, my contact information is on the PDF if you need to call or schedule a call with me or email to discuss your case. So that's it. Please download the guide if you want to go that route. Or you could hire a national tax resolution firm. And there are many of them out there. I just grabbed the 3 of them that were one of the most prevalent when you Google tax resolution, and there's their numbers. So I implore you to call them and find out what they offer and what they do. Okay, but ask them these important questions. Will you be speaking with a CPA or tax attorney during your case, or just an account rep that has no accounting degree, certified public accountant, or is not a tax attorney? Do they have fixed fees for fixed predefined services, or do they charge an ongoing monthly fee that isn't capped at any certain point? Can you pay a portion of that fee only after they prepare the documents that you're submitting to the IRS? And can they give you a fee quote for your entire case on day one? Important questions to get in writing before you give them a dime or sign anything with these big firms. But please do ask these questions. You have the right to get these answers. And your last option is our offer and your next move. Our offer is this: a free 30-minute consultation with me to review your case on the phone. If I think you qualify after hearing about your situation for either an offer in compromise, reduced balance agreement, or any forgiveness of the debt, penalties, or interest, I'll let you know right there on the phone. I'll then go over our process and fees of what we'll charge you specifically, and you will be pleasantly surprised that we will be cheaper than the national resolution firms, and we will do a much more thorough job because we're more experienced. Simply as that. If you decide that if you'd like us to help you resolve it, we'll get started right away after the consultation, and we'll contact the IRS immediately, let them know we're representing you in the matter, and they will cease all collection activities while they consider the documents or offer that we give them. So, guys, it's your move. So if you think we can help, you can click on the orange arrow to the right of the video and schedule a free 30-minute call with me to discuss your case. And remember, the only way to resolve the problem is to take the right action to solve the problem. So whether you call us and have us do it, or you do it yourself with the tools and tips and downloads that we've given you in this video, do something to resolve this situation. Take control of your life rather than letting it control you. So life is what you make it, not what happens to you. We can help you solve your tax debt, or you can do it yourself, but only if you start the process and either get the download to do it yourself or schedule your call with us. Either way, get it resolved, guys. I thank you for watching, and I look forward to talking to you again. Take care.